Hello and welcome back to Tractors and Such. So today we're going to be working on an Echo PB-400E backpack blower for me. and what we're going to do is we're going to put some new backpack straps on it because these are disintegrating and they're in bad shape. I may put a new pulse line that runs to the carburetor from the engine block, and I may put a new make a new air filter for this because this one, the air filter in it, I don't really like the way the air filter is in it, so I'm going to make a new air filter for it. And yeah. So the parts I'll be using today are these. I got these Echo backpack straps. Here's the part number. Alright, so now what I need to do is I gotta take this off because the way these two mounting bolts right there, I want to take that off so I can be able to get the strap off, and there's some hooks down here on the bottom. I apologize for the wind noise. It's pretty windy today, so just bear with me. I also apologize for the walnuts falling. So yeah. Alrighty, so now I'm at the point. Let me move this out of the way. So now I'm at the point of getting the rest of it. Strap right here, and you gotta take these to the side like that, and it's like a little, and they just ripped. That's no good. Yeah. So it's ripped on me, so I guess I'm not turning back now. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna get the other side off camera. Alrighty, well, I figured out another solution to work on this. I got cold outside, and plus it's less noisy in here now, so yeah. I moved back here in the shop, and I didn't have to go out on the picnic table and work, so that's good. Alrighty, so I've got the old straps off. They're disintegrated and everything, but yeah. And now, well, I'm not strong enough to pull the things apart, that hooks into these hooks down here on the leaf blower, where the it's hard to see, but there's that little ear right there where these hook at. I'm not strong enough to pull the thing apart. So yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and do some mechanical repair, maintenance and repair. I'm going to replace the air filter, and then the gas line's fine, but this one line right here, it's hard as a cart. So I may but it runs though. I may not replace that, but yeah, I better replace that. So I'm gonna get my pliers down here. Let's see if we can pull that apart. Pull that off. That one like this right here. Oh yeah, it needs replaced. Alright, so you can see between right down here and this right here, I've got the fuel line, the line off. That's your pulse line for the pump and diaphragm in this carburetor. That's the first I ever seen one on a 2-cycle engine, on a small 2-cycle engine on like a leaf blower. But yeah, and so it's all brittle, broke, and I got some over here. I think I got something to replace it, so I'm gonna go over here and see what I've got, and we'll go from there. Let's see if this will fit. Too little. Alright, let's see if it's got anything bigger. Okay, what about this? Oh, might go on. It's definitely a maybe. Alrighty, so I put a new a pulse line on this right here, so now it's good now. So now what I want to do is I'm going to take the air filter out and cut a new piece of foam element, because I'm sure this one's not really that great. Go. Alrighty. I don't like it that you got two of these like this. I don't really like that. And plus they're a little crunchy. So I'm going to put me a new piece in there, and I'm going to oil it so it go in there. I gotta figure something about this choke. May tie a little piece of wire back here to act like as a resistance to it, because when it sometimes vibrates, it wants to choke. So yeah. That seems to fit perfect. Alrighty, so good. I got the air filter, I got the line on. So now all I need to do is wait for help to arrive so I can put the backpack straps on. Then I think we'll have this thing done and everything so that I can use. Alrighty, so Paul came by. He's doing some stuff on my truck. Well, he's helped me put the straps on, and we've got the straps on, and I did this part, put these on together, and yeah. So I'm getting ready to test this out. Yeah. So what I've done off camera is because it's just little bitty stuff, and it's not really worth showing, but I'll just explain what I did. So Paul came down here and helped me. We have put some tape around that hose where it's cracked at, and you can't find it. I looked and I can't find a new aftermarket part that goes from right here to right there. So yeah. And also I'm ready to get this little wire right here. It calls them a choke lever. It's got play in it, and it'll suck itself down and choke itself out whenever you give it throttle. So yeah, so I got that fixed so it won't do that. But yeah, all in all, I'm happy the way I fixed it. Now let's see how it'll start. On. Gave her a little throttle. pretty happy the way that it runs and everything after what I done to it. So yeah. And also I've got a home light. It's my dad's. I'm fixing it for him. Which it's a red home light. It's one of them home light backpackers. It'll be its own separate video. But yeah. So yeah. Alrighty. So now I'm gonna conclude this video. Thank y'all for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And yeah. Now we'll go with Paul to a devotion.
Genesis 2, beginning at verse 18. And the Lord said, It is not good that man should be alone. I will make him a helpmate for him. And out of the ground the Lord formed every beast of the field and every fowl of the air, and brought them unto Adam to see what he would call them. And whatsoever Adam called every living creature, that was what the name thereof. And Adam gave names to all cattle, to the fowls of the air, and to every beast of the field. But for Adam there was not found an helpmate for him. And the Lord God caused a deep sleep to fall upon Adam, and he slept. And he took one of his ribs and closed up the flesh instead thereof. And the rib which the Lord God had taken from man made he a woman, and brought her unto the man. And Adam said, This is now bone of my bones, and flesh of my flesh. She shall be called woman, because she was taken out of man. Therefore shall a man leave his father and mother, and shall cleave unto his wife, and they shall be one flesh. And they were both naked, the man and his wife, and were not ashamed. Thank you for watching Cade's video today. God bless you. See you on the next posting.